Welcome back guys to another video, and today we are going to use some strawberry, 2 beetroot and some apples and a piece of ginger, and this juice lower your blood pressure. So guys, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're here with me all along, thank you so much for watching all my videos, commenting. So let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna wash my fruits and I will get straight back to you. So here we are. Let's start by taking out the stems of the strawberry. And it's so cold, I'm gonna have to wash my little strawberry picker clip. Just give me a minute. So guys, you know that when the picker fell, it broke, so I'm just gonna have to use it as is, just to, it's sharp so you can go down in the top of it and still get rid of the stems. I'm gonna go online and buy another one. Just simply fell to the floor, and when I took it up to wash it, I see that it's broken. So we're not gonna let that stop us from doing our video. We're gonna use it as is, still doing the job. We don't have much leaf, so we'll just take out these, and I've added some rock melon to the juice that also lower blood pressure. So this is a lovely combination. I hope you all will try it. Now we are gonna peel our beetroot. You don't really have to peel it, you know, but I'm just peeling it because these are washed and they are clean. And there's no dirt on the skins. You can juice them and you can put them in your salad. So we're going to get rid of these skins. So we're gonna cut this in 4. And we're gonna peel this one. we're gonna core our apples. I'm wondering if I should core all of them. What do you think? We should? Ooh, this one is ripe. Look at the juice that's coming out. Ooh, these are juicy. The core just goes straight in. Wow. You see the juice? Okay guys, so let's get into the juicing. I'll do this last one. And we're gonna add some ginger, just a small amount of ginger. So we're going to take off the extension, the lid, and extension today. I want to try and use just this section. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna start by popping in our apples. Let me give you a look. So here is the close-up look. I think we're going to have to just don't put much in it and see how it goes. I'll put a piece of ginger in between, and we're going to start our juicing. So there you have it. Everything starts to be crushed, and it's gonna be coming in the mixing bowl. As you can see, we have a small amount of juice going in the mixing bowl. Look how lovely it looks. This drink boosts your energy level, support your immune system, reduce inflammation, and much more, and lower blood pressure. I cannot leave out that. This juice also increases your iron level, and it is very powerful and a natural antioxidant packed with vitamins. And the strawberry are excellent kidney friendly fruit. It lowers the level of potassium and sodium in your body. So you try this juice out. Look how beautiful and rich it looks. And I tell you, it is tasting nice. I made this juice already, and that is why I decided to bring the juice to you guys. Look how it is crushing and squeezing out everything. So as you see, our mixing bowl is full. And guys, remember to subscribe, it's free. Look at how our mixing bowl is full, and this juice is rich, no sugar added. Now we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. Here you have it, nice and creamy. So let's continue our juicing. Beetroot and strawberry also help to give you a glowing skin. So now our juice is accumulating in the mixing bowl. Look how beautiful it is. And I know some of you subscribers would love to have a glass of this drink. Always remember, apple a day keep the doctor away, whether ripe or green. So I have the strawberry left to put in. And trust me guys, I made this drink last week and I had to bring it to the channel as I said before. So here we are using our Covin out of 10. You can walk away and leave it, and trust me, it do a great job. So let's keep going. The Covin out of 10 cold press juicer introduced a game-changing 3-liter hooper setting, a new standard for juicing convenience. So this juicer is so good. I can tell you some more about it. So guys, I've decided to add in back the extension so I can go faster. So we're gonna just load everything in. We're gonna pour all the strawberries in and put the lid on, and then continue with our juicing. I was just trying out to see if I could work without the extra. So we are now coming up to let out our juice. As you can see, the mixing bowl is full. Wow, it's dark red, rich and creamy, and you can add water to this juice if you will wish, but I drink it just like that. Now we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. Look at that. Wow. So now we are looking at our first and second batch, and I've switched and put another jug. So as soon as the mixing bowl is full, I will let out the juice into that jug. So here you have a close-up look. We have half of mixing bowl, and there you have the trash coming out. As I use them to make smoothie, I freeze them and make smoothie with them, and it helps with your gut. Put the ginger in this juice to give it a little tangy taste, and you all know that ginger is very powerful. It fights inflammation in the body. So let's keep going, and you know we almost have a full mixing bowl. Beetroot also improve your heart health and its performance. So now we are gonna let out our third batch of juice. Look at that. Wow. Nice and creamy. We have a little bit left, so we're just gonna continue our juicing. So we're gonna put the 2 apples in. That's the last 2 fruits, so we're just gonna continue our juicing. We are almost at the end. We have used up all of our fruits, and we are waiting now for a 4th batch of juice. So let's keep going, guys. We have a mixing bowl. Wow. And remember guys, the trash is important. Even though we have a fiber in the juice, I keep my trash and do so much things with them. So now we have a full mixing bowl, and you know what your girl is gonna do. Now we're gonna let out our 4th batch of juice. Here you have it. Rich and creamy. This is the bomb. Good for your blood pressure. So guys, let's get into the serving of our drink. So now we're gonna serve our drink. We're gonna switch sides. Now we're gonna top this up. Top this one up too. Wow. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. See you in the next one.